Namaste, I'm Minnie and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making vegan blueberry muffins using a very simple recipe. They are soft, fluffy, and the best part is you might already have all the ingredients in your pantry anyways. If you are new here, I make easy vegan recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you'd like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified every single time I post a new video. To a bowl, add 300 grams of all-purpose flour. I'm using a sieve. This will help us to filter out if there are any lumps in the flour. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, 250 grams of vegan sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients together. Now it's time to add the wet ingredients. Add around 35 to 40 ml of oil, 150 ml of plant-based milk, I'm using soy milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything till they are well combined. You will get this consistency in your batter. Now it's time to add the blueberries. I have taken around 150 grams of blueberries, but you can reduce the quantity if you like. You can also choose to add them towards the end and not incorporate it in the batter. Adding the remaining blueberries. This already looks so amazing. Add the batter to the pan. I'm using these cute wrappers so it's easier to take them out. Cleaning is easier and at the same time it looks so pretty. Don't fill it entirely and give some room for the muffins to rise. Pat the tray to even out the batter. Place the tray in a preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes over 230 degrees Celsius. After 15 minutes, the vegan blueberry muffins are ready. Let them cool down for 10 minutes and then serve. They are so soft and fluffy and the flavor of blueberries is just amazing. As you can see, these are something you can prepare in a jiffy and even experiment with different flavors. They are perfect for when you are on the go and need to grab a quick breakfast or sit down and have one as a dessert. These moist and perfectly sweet muffins are packed with blueberries and great for satisfying your sweet tooth craving. So if you like today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. If you're still looking for more vegan videos, check out these easy recipes right there. I'll be back soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye.